kissed his wife at the station gate this morning at 6:59. Well, everything was fine till 9:30. Charlie looked up and he saw men on horses and men with guns, no sign of the law. Somebody robbed a Glendale train this morning, 9:30. Somebody robbed the Glendale train, I swear, I ain't lying. They made off with the 16 G's and left 2 men lying cold. Somebody robbed the Glendale train, made off with all the gold. White was a baggage clerk, he dearly loved his job. For 25 years they rewarded him with a gold pin